How to log into MyHR CVS employee portal. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily log into MyHR CVS employee login. First thing first, open up your web browser. And once you do so, you just need to go ahead and search for MyHR CVS employee. And the first link you'll see is from Alight. So go to MyHR CVS portal. Just tap on the first link, go to digital.alight.com, and here you'll be able to find a login option to your account. So right here is the option to log on. Provide your user ID first and then your password. If you want to view your password to confirm, you could always check this box to show your password and then tap on this log on button. And in case of forgetting user ID or password, tap on forgot user ID or password down below the log on button, which will take you to another page where you have option to recover your user ID or password. So you just need to provide some information here like your last four digit of your social security number, and then you should be able to easily recover your account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.